My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that is related to the website Steno.live. There may be several of such pop-ups by the site Steno.live. All these pop-ups are dangerous and they are totally fabricated. They claim that they are some way or another related to the well-known security program. However, interacting with these pop-ups is extremely dangerous. You should not install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. They claim that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, but the trouble is that the same message actually may be displayed on other computers that are infected by such pop-up virus. So it cannot be true that the number of viruses is the same. All these pop-ups, by the way, are the result of certain adware to be currently enabled in your computer. Steno.live claims to be related to the well-known security program, but it is not related to that program. If you click on this proceed button, you may be redirected to some other junk website that may promote a totally different software. And that software, by the way, is considered to be potentially unwanted application. So please don't interact with these pop-ups. Don't trust any misleading information that these pop-ups report. First thing you should do is carefully research your Finder and check your available applications. If you find any items that are suspicious, get rid of them. Sometimes it happens that visually the computer is free of threats, but still there may be some other threats hidden. I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these 3 free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to